equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Replacing the battery in your Surface Laptop Studio can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, it's a manageable task. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, gather your tools. You will need a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. These tools will help you safely open the device without causing any damage. Begin by powering off your Surface Laptop Studio completely. Disconnect any peripherals and ensure it's unplugged from the charger. This is crucial for your safety. Next, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the base. Place the suction cup near the edge of the screen, pulling it up slightly to create a gap. Insert the plastic spudger into the gap and carefully slide it around the edges to release the clips holding the screen in place. Take your time with this step to avoid cracking the screen. Once the screen is detached, you'll see the internal components. Locate the battery, which is typically secured with several screws. Using your Torx T5 screwdriver, remove these screws carefully. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. With the screws removed, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Be cautious of any connectors attached to the battery. You may need to disconnect these before fully removing it. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Align it with the connectors and gently press it into place. Reattach any connectors you previously disconnected. Once the battery is secured, replace the screws you removed earlier to hold it in position. Before reassembling the device, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This will help maintain the performance of your laptop. After cleaning, it's time to reattach the screen. Carefully align it with the base and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Ensure everything is secure before proceeding. Finally, power on your Surface Laptop Studio to check if the new battery is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. If you're unsure about performing this replacement yourself, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. This way, you can make an informed decision without any pressure. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Surface Laptop Studio. Regular maintenance and timely battery replacements can significantly enhance your device's lifespan and performance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.